How to recover a deleted contact on your phone using your Gmail and Google account. So for you to recover a contact that you mistakenly deleted on your phone, head over to your Gmail. So when you open your Gmail app, the first thing you have to do is to click on this profile icon here. So when you click on the profile icon, it will take you to this page. So on this page, you can see this place they wrote manage Google account. So click to manage the Google account. So when you click to manage the Google account, scroll down until you see this place they wrote people and sharing. So this place they wrote people and sharing, you will see that it contains information about contacts, blocked user, locations, sharing profile and co. So all you just have to do is to click on it. So when you click on it, you will see this place. It will bring up an information of the number of contacts you have and autocomplete suggestion. So click on the contacts. So when you click on the contact, it will prompt us to this Chrome window. Then you first of all see the list of contacts you have in your phone showing in your Gmail, and this is where synchronizations happened. And then the next thing you have to do now is for you to locate the contacts that you deleted. Come over to this place, these three dots here. So when you click on the three dots, you see this place they wrote bin. So click on the bin. So when you click on the bin, it will show you the number of contacts that you have in your bin. Now, there are different things you can do with this bin. If you want to empty the bin entirely, that you don't want to ever see it again, you can just click to empty the bin. Now, anyone you want to now recover, just click to hold it. Like this one, now let's assume I want to recover this contact. I'll just click on it. So when I click on it, I can simply click to recover it from here. And that is how to recover. So as you can see now that my bin count has dropped to 99. So if you want to recover all of them at once without doing it one, simply hold on any of them, then select on it. So when you select on it, click on this toggle drop down and then select all. So when you select all, you'll be able to either delete it forever or you're able to recover all of them at a go. So that is how to recover deleted contacts from your phone.